Today we are going to discuss the estimation method of finding square root of a number. By this method we can find an approximate value of square root of any number. In my first example I have taken the number root 90. So are you ready? First of all, we have to find two consecutive natural numbers such that 90 lies between their squares. Have you got them? Yes, you have guessed it right. The numbers are 9 and 10. 81 is less than 90 is less than 100. This means 9 square is less than 90 is less than 10 square. From here we can conclude that root 90 lies between 9 and 10. So to estimate the value of root 90, we can take any number between 9 and 10. Now a trick which you can apply here is that find out which is closer to 90, 81 or 100. You can easily find this by calculating the difference between 81 and 90 and 90 and 100. So what do you observe? 90 is almost at the center of the two numbers. So we can take the number 9.5. We'll find 9.5 square, which comes out to be 90.25. Children, if you have to replace 81 or 100 by 90.25, which one would you replace so that the order is not disturbed? Correct. We will replace 100 by 90.25. And now we get 9 square is less than 90 is less than 9.5 square. Again, by calculating, we can easily find that 90 is much closer to 90.25 as compared to 81. It means that we can take the next number closer to 9.5, and it is obviously 9.4. Now, we will repeat all these steps again. That means we will find 9.4 square, and then we will replace one of these two numbers by 88.36 so that the order is not disturbed. So which one will we replace? Right, we will replace 81. So now the new order which we get is 9.4 square is less than 90 is less than 9.5 square. As 9.5 comes after 9.4, so we can't take any other number between 9.4 and 9.5 which has one decimal place. Find the difference between 88.36 and 90 and also between 90 and 90.25. Which one is closer? Correct, 90.25 is closer. This means root 90 is closer to 9.5. So we will take 9.5 as the approximate value of root 90. Children, whatever I have written in the brackets is just for your reference. It is not a step. And you have to write approximately at the end with the answer, because as I discussed earlier, the value which we are getting here is not the accurate value. It is just an approximate value of the given root. Is the method clear to you? Okay, let's discuss another question. Here the number given to us is root 150. So let's quickly find out two consecutive natural numbers such that 150 lies between their squares. Have you got the numbers? Yes, the numbers are 12 and 13. So 144 is less than 150 is less than 169. That is 12 square is less than 150 is less than 13 square. It means that root 150 lies between 12 and 13. So we have to take a number between 12 and 13 like 12.1, 12.2, etc. The trick which I discussed helps in finding the answer quickly. Otherwise, we have to keep on taking numbers and so many times we have to repeat the same steps. So here how we can apply the trick. If you find the differences, 144 is much closer to 150 as compared to 169. So we will now take a number which is closer to 12. We can take 12.1 or 12.2. So I am taking 12.2. 12.2 square is equal to 148.84. So now we will replace one out of these two numbers by this number, and hence we get 148.84 is less than 150 is less than 169, or 12.2 square is less than 150 is less than 13 square. If you again observe, you will find that 150 is very close to 12.2 square as compared to 13 square. So the next number which we take will be closer to 12.2. Let's try with 12.3. So finding the square and replacing one of the two previous numbers by this new number, we get 148.84 is less than 150 is less than 151.29. which implies 12.2 square is less than 150 is less than 12.3 square. So you can observe that these numbers are again coming one after the other. So we will stop here and check which number is closer. Clearly 148.84 is closer to 150, and it means root 150 is approximately equal to 12.2. Is the method clear, children? Okay, then you can try the next question. Just pause your screens and try it. Okay children, now you can check your answers. Don't worry if the first number which I have taken is not same as yours, because as I said, there are so many numbers between 31 and 32. You can take any of them. Even if you take a different number, after few steps you will reach the answer. So we get that the approximate value of root 1000 is 31.6. I hope all of you were able to solve it correctly. Another question for your practice. Find the square root of 410 and then you can check the answer. The two numbers which we have to take here are 20 and 21, and the next number which I have taken is 20.2 square, and repeating the steps, finally I get 20.2 square is less than 410 is less than 20.3 square, which means one of them is the approximate value of root 410, and on calculating the difference we find that 408.04 is closer to 410. It means under root 410 is equal to 20.2 approximately. Practice more and more, it will be more and more clear to you. So that was all for today children. Hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, then just give a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel for more such content. We'll meet again with some other topic. Till then, take care.